Hi, I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Designs. Today I'm going to grunge these tea lights to make them look like this. I got these tea lights, they're LED lights. I got them at the Dollar Tree. It's a 2-pack, and I'm also going to use some instant coffee and some cinnamon and some Mod Podge. I'm going to use Mod Podge that's a matte finish, and I actually also got this Mod Podge in the small bottles at Dollar Tree. This is a messy process, so I put down a sheet of wax paper so I don't have Mod Podge and coffee all over my tablecloth. I'm going to take a paintbrush and just spread the Mod Podge all over the base of the light, but keeping it off of the light bulb. And I'm just going to do one side at a time so I have a place to hold. Then I will take some of the instant coffee and I'm just going to sprinkle it around on the Mod Podge. I only use this instant coffee for crafts and it has gotten a bit clumpy, so I'm having to do a little bit of grinding on it. And then I'm going to take the cinnamon and sprinkle it over the top, and it will cover the areas that the coffee missed. And then I'm going to take the Mod Podge again and just dab it over the top. I don't want to really brush it on because it will move the stuff around too much. I just want to dab it.
You don't want to skip this second step of Mod Podge. This is what really blends all of it together and creates a nice uniform look.
And this Mod Podge does dry clear. Then you just want to let it dry. I'm going to speed the process along by using a hairdryer. Now that it's dry, I want to go ahead and finish off the rest of this. I will supply the Mod Podge. Also, right there, there's a spot that I missed.
I forgot to add the top coat of Mod Podge to the second half of the candle, so I added that and then let it dry again.
The Mod Podge is completely dry now. And I'm going to scrape off any of the finish that got on the light bulb. Then I have this tart tin, and I will put a link in the description below to where you can get the tart tins. I will put the light in the tart tin and then add some these little puka pods. For a cute little display. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye.